World of Science with Samuel. Hello guys, hello friends, welcome to the World of Science with Samuel. And today guys, I'm so excited because today is my toy time! Yay! So today guys, I have I have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 toys guys in total. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay guys, so now the first toy we're gonna start from the smallest one is the wooden jigsaw puzzle. It's the wooden jigsaw puzzle toys universe. Look at it, Annie. It's universe toy. It's like a universe toy. See guys, you can collect 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I don't understand why is here write down 2, 2, 2, 5, 5, 5, 5, 4, 6, 6. I don't know that guys, but now I don't know which one I'm gonna put. So the second toy we have 4-in-1 space explorer jigsaw puzzle. It's the exactly same like this one. See guys, it's the exactly same like this one, but it's a bit bigger and it has 4-in-1 because it's saying 4-in-1. So this is also a pretty cool toy. I also mentioned this is very good. So now we have the Science 61 Science Series DIY. If you don't know what is mean DIY, it's making yourself. Like
do it yourself.
Yes, do it yourself. So this is like the DIY. There are so many. Science 61. Science 61. That means 61 experiments. My gosh, guys, this is gonna be so amazing. Okay, so let's put this up here. And now the final one. Showdown. Oh, sorry, wait. I need some space. Here we have the space shooters. So it's from like Smartivity. Okay, Smartivity. It's called space shooters. So like it's like the sun kind of. It looks pretty tiny. So why the box is so big, guys? Okay, so it's like a space shooter kind of, like you need to do something. So
what is foo?
I don't know, maybe you need to hit these aliens. See guys, these aliens. We gotta destroy Earth. First we need to take our spaceship.
No glue or tools. It's no glue, Joy.
Where guys?
You don't need any glue or any
Where
tools.
is Rhino?
It's there. See?
Where? Build black color.
No, after this one. The next one.
This simple and easy. No glue or tools required.
It's a good.
Yes, that's good, guys.
No need to clean after that.
So guys, now the moment has come. So now the thing is, which one should I open? This one, guys? No. Maybe space shooters? No. Oh, maybe my fidget spinner can help. Wait, let me put them all in an equal. Space shooters. Okay, maybe we should not do fidget spinner. We should do stone, paper, scissors. Stone. They don't have hands. Maybe I should do fidget spinner. So now, if it goes like this, or that. I'm gonna do like this. Wooden jigsaw puzzle. So wooden jigsaw puzzle toys universe. But guys, these toys are also connected with space. I'm not gonna just take like other toys. See, these are connected with space, science 61 and all of this, and the space shooters. These are all learning toys. These teach us about our solar system and planets like Jupiter, Neptune. Venus is right here, astronaut, everyone. Like in the space, these all teaches you. So also, I also teach about all of our solar system, and the people think like this is like the space is so boring and other stuff. But you're wrong. Space is so much fun, guys. Just try it once and oh my gosh, you will be so surprised. You want to learn every day about space. So if you want to learn more about space, just click that subscribe button, and now then you will learn more about solar system. Okay guys, so now let's open my wooden jigsaw puzzle. So let's put these toys not away, just putting them here. Okay guys, so now we're gonna open the wooden jigsaw puzzle Choice for Universe. So this is, we no need like to do, it can be open like a piece, not violent. You see guys, it just can open from here. Whoa! Guys, so now finally I opened my wooden jigsaw puzzle. So let's open it guys. Let's put the box away for now. Right there. So whoa! Whoa! Look guys! Look here. Like the satin, like a tiny part. Oh guys, look! These are made of wood guys. See? These are made of wood. These are wooden jigsaw puzzles. So the first thing we can make our main thing, our sun, that always gives us heat, and that's why we're alive on our earth. So that's why the first thing we're gonna make is the sun. Okay guys, so the first thing we're gonna make is our sun. So the first thing, sun. Okay, so it fits perfectly. See guys, it fits perfectly. So now we need, maybe here is the one planet. It's not fully fitted. Here is the earth guys. See, I can see the greenery. See, see guys, here. This is like a greenery kind of. So where is the green? Now we are putting this. This part is like on Saturn. Okay, it's not that side. Okay, so now it is opposite side. Is it opposite side? Oh, it was opposite side. I don't know. Wait, so I think this part goes in here. It is fitting. Okay, so we now have Mercury. There, it was hard. So now let's make a here now part. What about here? Nah. This part looks like a Saturn, kind of another Saturn. So, what is this? What is this? A metal? What is this?
Looks like comet.
Comet. So maybe it goes here. I can see some solar flares. Okay, so here we need the asteroid, another asteroid belt. Oh, here it is. See, here is the asteroid belt. So now we put it here. Oh, it's not that. Okay guys, so where is this part? Oh, found it guys. This is so hard, I can see the solar flares. See guys, here's the puzzle. So now we're gonna put it here. Yes, that's right now. Now we need a comet. Where is the comet? Oh, here it is.
Clap. Go.
Here should be another Jupiter. Oh, here. See guys, the Jupiter was in the parts. Okay. So now we need here another part. It's definitely not here now. Here is the part I found it. Mars. It's maybe here now. Oh, it's here. Yes, here. Is it? No, it isn't. Oh no, it comes out. Oh jeez. This desert. Oh, it's actually not a desert. So now I found it this part, guys. It's like this kind of. Wait a minute. Now we have to take Neptune, which I already prepared. Also, where is the Neptune? So it's right here. See guys, I am good at jigsaw puzzles. Finally found it guys. See this part. Da-da-da-da-da-da. We found another comet. Here is the one comet, so I think it is right gonna be. Oh, it's gonna be here. Why didn't I saw that, guys? It's right here. So this part I still don't know. Maybe it's here. Guys, this part is a bit confusing. This part is not here. Where is it? Oh, where am I? No. Here should be one more part. So this part, no. This part is right here. Oh my gosh. Because guys, this is a jigsaw puzzle, so these round things are like kind of like the edges. So now it's about to finish, guys. I'm so excited. Oh, here. Righty, where is the moon? Oh, here. See guys, here is the moon right down. Here is the moon. So now, okay, come guys here. So now here. Now the color looks like different, so I'm not putting it there because you're already doing like, so I'm not. Where is the moon? It is there. These four parts. these corners. I think I should do like this and then solve it. Oh, finally. See guys, look. Whoa. Guys, this looks so cool. See, here's like a comet, Neptune, another comet. This is Saturn, Sun, and Mercury, Jupiter, Neptune, comet, Mars, comet, another comet, and the comet again. Okay, comet, Uranus, Sun. Oh,
Yeah, comet attack.
yeah. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 comets. 1, 2, 3, 4. And here's the Pluto. See how Pluto far is. Okay guys, so now finally it's finished. It looks so cool. I'm gonna break it again and do it, and I think the off the video like not show. But guys, this was so much amazing. It was so hard guys, so that's why it was so much fun. So the hard things are always fun. Easy things are not fun. So guys, if you want to learn in a fun way like these puzzles and other toys, subscribe my channel of World of Science with Sandra. If you want to see these more toys, click the subscribe button and the bell icon. Guys, it was so much fun. I liked this so much. Okay guys, don't forget to subscribe my toy time.